Finally, after a crazy ass drive with super messed up roads, we finally reached Kadapuda Adventure Zone. One more thing I noticed in this trip is everyone's trying to talk to me in Malayalam. I know I look like a Malayalam hero, but I slept only for about 4 hours in the night. So after the crazy cloud bed sightseeing, I had to go relax. And here we are for a yummy lunch, yummy brunch, I must say. It's called the Wonton Cafe and Restaurant. Super yummy food, extremely yummy food. And as usual, this is Kerala, so it's not gonna be like overpriced and stuff. This is on the way to Kozhikode. Full vintage vibes. Say hi to Kyoto. Wearing party dress. Yeah. By the way, we had fish meals. So what you get in the fish meals is, of course, the Bangla fish. Yeah, it's okay. Beetroot ka chakna. This is like a kind of a sambar, curds, fish curry again, and somewhat like a curry, huh?
Curry.
Pineapple curry, pumpkin
Pumpkin.
curry, and a side dish on the pumpkin again, and with papad, of course. Done with a yummy lunch at Wonton restaurant. You can remember it. It's cheap and best. 2 fish meals and 1 lime tea I had, which was drinkable. The bill was, you can't believe it, it was 300 rupees.
ಇದು actually ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
And by the way, today's objective, or the whole trip's objective, was to just come here and chill. But sadly, Bangalore's weather is more chill than this.
मस्त जोक मारा रे.
But anyhow, this is mountains. We are in the mountains, so experience the mountains irrespective of how bad the weather is.
Wow.
By the way, today is our 5th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, babe.
Thank you, Janu. Happy anniversary.
Congratulations and celebration.
There are a lot of places to explore here in Wayanad. I'm gonna list out a few names. Idakal Caves, Pukod Lake, another lake actually. There are a few peaks to cover. You can try the Chembra Peak, where if you love trekking, you can go there. But they charge 5,000 rupees for 8 people for trekking. So if you have that kind of money and have nothing else to do, you can pay and then go. It is an easy trek only, but you have to pay money. It's not free. And 900 Kandi, I think, yeah. What's the place? 900 Kandi, yeah. Even that place is very nice. They have built a glass bridge on top, and you can rent a jeep and explore the Rocky Mountains of Wayanad, where there's close to about half an hour of nice off-roading. But we don't want to do all that today. We are going to Kadapuda Dam. It's on the main road only, towards Vaitiri. From Kalpetta to Vaitiri road, it's on the main road only. Never been there before, so going to explore that. People have complained about locals being hostile towards them in places like Goa and Coorg, and to some point even Chikmagalur also. People are frustrated with over tourism, I feel. But in that way, Wayanad is very special. The localites are very welcoming actually, if you see. They know they are getting money out of tourists, irrespective of how irresponsible tourists are, and they value that. Finally, after a crazy ass drive with super messed up roads, we finally reached Kadapuda Adventure Zone. It looks like a mini Wonderla with a lot of rides and stuff. And by the way, check out Tutu's cap. She is very camera shy. Even at 6 months old, 5.5 months old, she is very camera shy. This is built on the boundary of the Kadapuda Dam. Flying cinema, space tower, zipline, twister, giant swing, flying chair, trampoline park. All the activities are in the range of 100 to 200. So yeah, you can call it affordable. This place is like a heaven for kids. A lot of stuff to do.
No, this one is not for kids.
Please, can you span the camera towards the left? Arab Kids. I hope you guys saw Arab Kids. This is half breed, half South Indian, half North Indian kid. 3, 2, 1. We are in the Kadapuda Dam. I hope you guys enjoyed the video footage. I hope you guys enjoyed the video footage I captured through Lucy. It is kind of a risky taking it here because it just disappears in the sky and you have to figure out where it goes. Anyways, we are done with the Kadapuda irrigation project. Kadapuda Dam Adventure. For kids, it's just like a good place, very good place. For adults as well, if you want to engage in VR and all those swings and zipline as well. I'm not much interested into all that stuff, so I didn't partake in any of it.
पैसों की कमी नहीं है मुझे, किसी से भी उधार ले लूंगा.
We are pretty much done with our Kerala adventure. Tonight we're gonna have some yummy
Kerala food.
Oh my God! Wow!
Mango curry.
Kerala food. You've been eating Kerala food from yesterday only.
अबे साले.
Mango curry.
Mango coconut curry, hopefully, with some good old fish in the night, and then wrapping up our adventure and heading back to Bengaluru tomorrow.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ.
Importantly, this is open until 6 o'clock. After that, it closes. So plan accordingly and come. And the roads are bit on the messed up side. So come prepared for that as well. So yeah, see you in the bit.
Several days later.
This is the Holidays restaurant. And this is in Kalpetta, almost on the main road. We've come here to have some yummy dinner. There are a lot of good restaurants now in Wayanad, but this is one of the best, and it's kind of affordable as well. Not compared to other cheap restaurants, but yeah, to Bangalore standards, it's very very affordable. Hopefully, this is the famous mango fish curry. It has become one of my favorite. I don't know whether you get it in Bangalore or no, but it's super yummy. It's kind of on the sweeter side, but super yummy. Final dinner of this Kerala Wayanad trip. So let's not make the food wait, and then let's dive straight in. I'll let you know how it was. So finally, our last night at this cool ass villa in Mepadi district. Tomorrow we'll be checking out and heading back towards Bengaluru. We have about 7 hours of driving to be done. The food this time, I was talking about the mango fish curry. Was good, not great, because last time we had come here in May season. So May season, it was mango season. So the mango is kind of ripe. By this time they had used like kacha mango. Because of that, the taste was a little different, but it wasn't bad. It was good only. You must try it whenever you come towards Kerala or Wayanad. Mango fish curry. Okay then, thank you for watching the Wayanad series. I hope you guys liked it. If you do like my content, please do like, share and subscribe. Of late, my views have been dropping like drastically. I don't know, for some reason. Maybe no consistency, or people are not liking. People not just people. It's not even reaching to the right amount of people. Anyways, my objective and my goal is to keep trying, and you guys, I expect some support from you guys.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
So until then, bye bye. Please do like, share and subscribe. I keep coming up with more such videos in the near future as well. Bye bye.